like 150.
It's a surprising number of steps. I didn't hear anything you said. The reason that the Spaniards built this is exactly that. Because they realized when the Dutch attacked this was this captain. So they invested a really good amount of money in the Spaniards to protect the city, not only from the sea, but eventually through the other fort from land. And people always think of this fort as being the biggest, and it is. But what I found out many years later is that no, so anyway, this is where the cannons were. This is the depiction of the way it used to be. This is a very good explanation of how they deployed. And again, this is probably in 1780. You were talking about the Spanish-American War. The new cannons, you could see the old cannons, they were fairly small, but they were potent enough to protect the attackers. Okay. Because all the ships had to go through that narrow place. Right. But the ships, what they started doing, they would go into the extreme, to the other side. So they built a small fort called El Cañuelo, which you could see from here. Little fort on the other side with some cannons. Okay. So the ships decided to go to that other extreme outside the range of these cannons. Okay. Those cannons could hurt the ships. So they forced them to actually either don't attack or go through the middle and risk it. Okay.